Introduction. Valves play an important role in product transfer. They are used to control the direction of material along a pipeline. Valves in the open position allow materials such as solvents, plant utilities, intermediates, and product to flow forward. Valves in the closed position will stop the materials from flowing forward. The consequences of a valve being left open or closed can be hazardous to operators and can also cause product contamination. A closed valve can lead to pressure buildup in process equipment. If a valve is left open by mistake, it could result in the wrong fluid going into the vessel. It is important that an operator knows which valves should be opened and which valves should be closed for a particular process. Diaphragm valves. Diaphragm valves are used to control the flow of liquids by using a flexible membrane to open and close a space in a pipe. Usually, the pipe has two ports, an entry port and an exit port. The membrane is moved down and up to block or open the flow, respectively. The component that moves the valve up and down is known as a seat, and the valve is usually manufactured from stainless steel or plastic. Diaphragm valves operation. The operating power for moving the valve stem in a diaphragm valve can be pneumatic, that is, air pressure is used for opening and closing. Another mechanism involves use of a solenoid. This is a wire-wrapped metallic component that produces a magnetic field in the presence of electricity, which then actuates the valve. Alternatively, diaphragm valves can be operated manually.